you everyone who watched my fake ice cream tutorial on how to make it, and then the part 2 on decorating it. It was so much fun to make. I love making fake ice cream and desserts, and I'm really, really happy that you guys watched it. I really appreciate that. And if you haven't, the link will be below. Please watch it and like and subscribe. Today I have the Sophie and Elf. Sophie and Elf. I have the Sophie and Toffee Elves box here. It's this beautiful pink color, maybe more of like a dusty rose. I love it so much. Don't mind me if I have glitter on my hands. It's kind of the bane of my existence. I bleed glitter. Once it's on you, it never really goes away. And I have way too much. I have edible glitter, biodegradable glitter, regular glitter. I make glitter. All right, let's see what we have inside. So here is the booklet. And this month is tarot cards. And the front has the Ace of Wands. So we're going to get some molds, some film, shaker film, and UV resin, and a few premium add-on molds. I'll show you which ones those are. So first we have some shaker film, just one little piece. They gave us more. And then we have some words on film. This one is the major names, and then this is just the page through ace of each pentacles, cups, wands, and swords, and it's like a gold hollow. I really wish they would have given us the names of the smaller, you know, like the 9 of cups, the 8 of cups, you know, the 6 of swords, yeah. But I guess you'll just have to paint the names on if you want them on those. And then here's some film for the major ones, and then a few backs. Or you could use these backs underneath the other ones. So we've got the Tower, and maybe you can see it better in here. We've got the Tower, the Star, the Moon, the Sun, Judgment, the World, Strength, the Hermit, the Wheel of Fortune, Justice, the Hanged Man, which is just a foot being hung upside down, Death, Temperance, the Devil, the Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the Ace of Wands, the Chariot, the Lover, the Hermit, the Emperor, the Empress, the High Priestess, the Magician, and the Fool. And we have those same ones in the medium size. So it's identical, just bigger. Move it up so you can see. There you go. And again, it's the gold hollow. And then we just have some regular backs. Oh, this one's scratched. Can you guys see that? It's already scratched. For what we pay for Sophie and Toffee boxes, this definitely should not be scratched. It's kind of a bummer. So you get 8 of the large backs. You'd think they'd give you enough to make a whole deck. Even these, you don't have enough to make a whole deck. It's kind of a bummer. And then here's the small mold for the cards, the medium mold, and this is the large one. And they have this kind of design. The small and the medium have this design here. This, can you see that one? Or on the large ones you can see it better. That is raised into the mold, so it'll come out a little bit. It's really hard to show you. There. And then the large ones have a little window, so you could even do like, you could make it into a shaker, or you could do little dangly things down the middle. And then here's a name, like a little banner for the name of the card. I'm really bummed that you don't get enough to do a whole deck. I mean, how cheap. And then I've already got this one that's ruined. I don't like that, Sophie and Toffee. I don't. And then this mold has a few suns and a trumpet on it. And then this has a pentacle, sword, wand, and cup. I don't know if those are the add-ons. Nope, that's the regular one. Oh, so the sun, so you get this wand, sword, pentacle, and cup, but the suns are extra for the premium, and then these two are with the premium as well. This one, they're the symbols that are on the shaker film on both of these. So you could do more of a 3D one for the large. And then, of course, you get some UV resin. Just a little tiny guy. And that's it. That's everything in here. And I think because last month was the blowout box, there's no winners in here. Oh, here's like a cute little design you can make out of them. All right. Oh, so the premium these guys are premium add-ons too. The larger film. I don't know about that. You only get 8. Just seems a little chintzy. Right. And these were all packaged in film. I just opened them real quick. All right. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.